Hi, I'm Tony Graff. I'm the creative director here at United Floral in Vancouver, British Columbia. This is our venue of the auction, flower auction in Vancouver. We're very excited about an upcoming program, and Hitomi's here to give us some more information regarding Trend Summit 2020.
So our Trend Summit 2020 is going to feature Gregor Lersch, Heider Chapple, Françoise Weeks, Sue McLeary, and of course Leah Seisman from Pantone Institute. We're really excited about this event that's coming up in March of 2020 here at United Floral. So the registration is now open at trendsummit2020.com.